Oh. Oh, come on, baby. So, what's been going on with the tow truck? Well, not much. I've been dreaming of the tow truck and parts, and now some have arrived. So we're going to show you why I haven't been working on the wrecker, because I've been waiting on parts. There's lots of stuff I can do. I still got welding to do on the frame, cleaning, painting. Still got to figure out something with the fenders. Lots to do still. But I've been waiting on some major parts. So let's show you what we got. It's like Christmas time today. This is what we've been waiting on. This is a 6.6 liter gas motor based off of what they put in the 3/4 ton pickups. This is an L8P, so this is a GM Performance version of that. Has a different cam, some different stuff they did in the heads, I think, with the valves. And it's 523 horsepower. 523 horsepower, direct injected. No DOD, which is displacement on demand, where they shut off cylinders, or active fuel management they call it. So none of that junk to worry about. This bad boy is ready to drop in and roll. And then this is a 6L80 transmission from GM Performance that is made to handle the power of that motor. So it's beefed up a little bit from a factory production 6L80. And why 6L80 instead of just going with the 4L80? Because they're more, 4L80 more common, tons of parts out there, all that. Well, this is the reason why. Because the 6L80 has, I think it's a 4.03 to 1 first gear, whereas a 4L80 is like a 2.4 or something, 2.43. So the 6-speed has a much lower first gear, which helps you out tremendously with your overall low range crawl ratio. So 523 horsepower, 6-speed with a super low first gear, and behind that we'll have a 4-speed Atlas, which will be able to give us several more gear options. So if you went with the 4L80 with the higher first gear, you would have to get that gearing back in your transfer case, and I feel like this just gives me a lot more gearing options. It's made to go with this motor. GM has harness, computer, everything to make this all work. Or you could probably use a Holley setup, which I haven't decided for sure, but I'm kind of leaning towards just going with the GM Performance stuff. Don't have a transfer case yet. They're way behind on getting those shipped out, but we can bolt the transmission to the motor. We can drop it in, get motor mounts built, cross member built, wiring, all the things to make that work. And then when the transfer case comes in, we just basically bolt it up, put in some shift linkage, drive lines, and away we go. So this is going to be fun. It's going to be a lot of work, but it's going to be fun. I've been looking forward to it. Soon, very soon, we'll get the old big block 4-speed yanked out. I got plates to finish boxing the rest of the frame in. Got the motor and tranny. Got a different fuel system, because this will be a pulse width modulated controlled fuel pump. So just been accumulating parts, trying to work, make some more money to pay for the parts, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So stay tuned, and we'll get to rolling on this thing. And one of these days when it's all done, it's gonna be a beast. So later. Anyway, for now, we're gonna work on the Jeep. We got a really loose track bar joint there, track bar bushing there, getting pretty loose and a little sketchy to drive down the highway. So we're gonna fix that. We'll see how much of a struggle this is. Could go really smooth, could be a big pain. Put a little Freol on it. I've had pretty good luck with this stuff as far as loosening rust. Left the nut threaded on there a little bit, so that way when I smack it with the pickle fork, it doesn't fall on the ground and smash my toe. Apparently I didn't have it threaded on there far enough. It just about got my toe anyway. Come out of there in a hurry. Whew. The theory was good, it's just the execution was terrible. I gotta make sure I point the hole just the right way or I'm not gonna be able to get a cotter key in it. I'm gonna have to pry this over to get the bolt in it. Had it started and then I knocked it off. Just reach up there with the hook on the back side to bend my cotter pin. Give her a little shot of grease. I never trust that they properly grease them from the factory. Probably should just take the sway bar clear off, but the bump stops are all junk on this thing. It's got a little bit of a lift, so the sway bar is almost like a travel limiter for the front suspension. It's kind of terrible. You got them tightened down or squished pretty tight around there. There we go. That should be all for this job. So I'm sure that was just super exciting, but it'll be a little safer to drive down the road. So it's getting a little sketchy. You know, you just keep it between the ditches before. Now hopefully it'll do a little better. So we decided we need to do a little testing tonight, but not of the tow truck, of the XJ. Not that we haven't already tested it, but we made a new trail. So this trail is called the Camelback. As you can see, this hill's about, I'm 6 feet tall. It's over my head. And then we go up it. And we got about 6 foot on top here. And then we go straight down again. And this one's, let me stand on the bottom. So this one's over taller than the other one. Then we cross the creek in the bottom here. Then we go up the second hump, which is about as tall as the last one. Go up that one. Then we come over here. We go down the last side, which it's not quite as tall as the other two, but let's go try it, see if we can do it. Not bad for not having lockers. Maybe we can go with this one. This one's like
You barely made that in the razor.
20 feet tall. Yeah, it was hard to get up in the razor. This thing don't have lockers, so. Back up, Terry. See if we can get squared up. We'll try it easy first. Oh, right down my sleeve. The dirt went right down my sleeve. It's really soft up there. I'll make Alexander hold the camera so I can drive. Maybe we should put our seatbelts on, huh?
Yeah.
Give her a little bump and see if it'll make it. It gets real soft up there at the top.
No! Why?
You got the dirt that time.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, should we send it?
Yes.
Are you filming the trail?
Yeah.
We got 3/4 of the way up.
Hey, almost. I got a few
Alright.
more feet.
Here goes.
Oh yeah. Oh
We're like, oh my gosh, we're right at the top.
no. I might roll my window up if it starts throwing my dirt. Oh man, there's dirt all
Should have throw a bunch of dirt in.
over. Yeah.
I don't know, it's the 3rd or 4th try. We got some good tracks when we get our wheels over the top. We got holes dug now. Oh, come on, baby! Let's see it going down. Oh my gosh. I have the brakes locked up when we're sliding.
My seatbelt has
I don't know if we can get up this one. We'll probably bottom out at the top. This is like a straight up wall. Oh, we made it. We've been buying old road signs at flea markets and stuff to put on our trails. Just for fun. Amazing what a little XJ will do with some 31-inch mud tires and no lockers. Get up this one. This one's the tough one. We made up this one once, but it gets uneven up there, and without lockers, can't quite get up and around that tree top. We tried this one. It's so steep it is, our hitch dug in at the bottom. Well, it's getting dark. The video's always gonna be going downhill, so that'll be it for this test drive. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Did we send it up that steep one or what?
Yeah.
Did you think we were gonna make it?
Kinda.
Kinda. All right, over and out. Uh-oh.